Ọnwa m onye ukwu, ọnwa m onye ibe, ọnwa ajọka. Ọkwa na Alex Ekubo ka a na-ekwu okwu ya, ọkwa Ikenna. Ha eburu ozu onye ọzọ, ọ dị ka ebu ukwu nkụ. Kedu onye a na-ekwu dị ya? Odogwu nwoke, ofu onye na-eme ihe siri ike n'obodo, oke osisi. Oke osisi adaa, ụmụnnụ na-abọrọ ọsọ, akwa na-asụ, ụmụnne a na-ebe, nwanne a na-akwa n'elu odogwu nwoke, nwa Chimereze na Mbaise, ezi enyi na friends ka ha bịara soro. Enyi ka nwanne. Nwanne dị na mba, nwanne dị na mba. Na-eke obodo pụtara ka onye na-eme ka ekwe na-akụ ọrụ ya. Tata ka a na-eli Alex Ekubo na ihe mere kpakpara n'abalị. Ihe ọbụla ị na-eme, a na-edekọrọ gị. Ọ bụkwa na arụ na ị nọ n'ụwa bụ isiokwu na kedu ihe ị mere achieve mgbe ị nọ. Ihe Alex ị mere achieve, lives ọ touchiri, people helpụrụ na eji ọ nwụrụ. O nwere ụfọdụ nọ 90 years na-emenwuri ya achieve. Odogwu mpịa karịka ma okenye ma nwatakịrị, onye ọ na-ebe. N'ezie na yu chairman, n'ezie onye ọbụla n'ikwu, onye ọ na-ebe. Alex nwanne, nwanne dị na mba. Oke osisi ada, ụmụnnụ na-abọrọ ọsọ. Ọ dị onye ka a na-ekwu ya? Ikenna. Chukwu gọzie ndị enyi gị, karịsịa ndị gosiri gị ịhụnanya mgbe ị dị ndụ, ma nyekwa aka ịhụ na olili gị bụ ihe chawapụrụ achawapụ. Ọta ka odogwu Alex, otu aka nka ya si gaa. What a life. This life is full of nonsense, vanity. Try as much as you can to make peace with everybody, with all your neighbors while you're still living. I mean, there's nothing in this world that one should be, quarreling of. Your land, your houses, your cars, everything, one day you leave them behind. Live peacefully with others. Try to make peace with all men, knowing fully well that one day you leave everything behind. And you shall only be remembered by your good deeds. Try and touch as many lives as you can while you're still breathing. Try as much as you can to impact lives. Look at the king, Odogwu nwoke, the cabinet coming to welcome the son of the soil. Ihe onye na-eme ka ekwe na-akụrụ ya now at the palace. You can imagine. When you are good, you are good. When you are bad, you are bad. Be it alive or in death, There are people that will still testify how good you are. And there are people that will still testify how bad you are. So, I urge you, always do good. So that when you are no more, you shall remember of your good deeds. Kedeno. Ngajimeze na site ama bora tiba. I literally the trip everyone talks about. Oh dear. My name is Emidon. Why have you come? I'm tired of being poor. I want to be rich. I want to be the richest man in this kingdom. No. Oh dear. Alice Ukubana. Alice Anna. The good. The king of Alochukwu. Here is the palace of Alochukwu. The king of Alochukwu has to come to welcome the remains of the soul of the soil. What a good man. Try to live well, oh. Kabaru ki bien do fomo. You get why? Try to be a good ambassador, representing your people. Even while you're still alive, you get why? For a king to welcome you in his palace, it speaks volumes.
I don't know, fella.
Oh my God. I tell you, not to be frank, it's good to be good and bad to be bad. I'm telling you this. I'm telling you this.
Oh,
it's good to be good. It's good to be good.
Aya kokatapa maka Alex IKENNA EKUBO Okwanegi. Maganando be in the short time we'll be there.
Star
so much impact now when
has to testify of this guy's goodness. I mean, Nze is one of
he was a true star.
The bosom friends of Alex, and of course, partner and colleague. I remember one of the Igbo movie they shot of recent, where he had a kind of little conflict with such a good actor. The star can tell better. He testified before the community, before the kingdom. In fact, the people of Alochukwu heard it from the star that Alex is a good man. Now, when you must have gone, who will testify of your goodness? Or will people keep murmuring of your bad deeds? I tell you again, it is good to be good and bad to be bad. No, don't wait for me to tell you this again. Let me repeat myself. It is good to be good and bad to be bad. I'll allow you to listen to some of these things he's saying here. But before then, you must understand
he had such a heart.
That everyone is watching.
And it's so painful. The
heavens, earth, people.
It's all over.
There is no way
not this person.
Today, Alex will be buried. Yesterday was night king.
Not him.
Today is the main funeral. I'll still bring more updates to you guys. But with this little one that happened just yesterday night,
that no one is indispensable, so that
you can look into your life again and ask yourself, when you are no more, who will testify of your goodness? I pray that this little
every single day
pictures you've watched here, calibers of people, support from friends and families, to masses to honor this man who showed so much to enlighten you, to open your eyes and make you to understand clearer what this life is all about. Thank you. God bless you. Expect more videos today.